Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you about a super cool tool that I have heard a lot about called Nearpod. Nearpod is used by teachers to create interactive lessons that allows them to get instant student feedback. So they're able to get feedback right away on how well students are understanding the lesson. Another cool thing is that it is going to work in any environment. So whether you're teaching online, you're teaching in person, or in hybrid, it will work with any one of those versions. There are two options for using Nearpod. I'm only going to show you one of them, but the two options are that you can create your own lesson by just clicking this little plus button, and you can create your own lesson. Another option is to explore the Nearpod library. This will allow you to choose from pre-made lessons already, such as this one which came from the Nearpod library. So I'm going to go ahead and click Explore the Nearpod library. As you can see, there are a lot of featured ones available, so if I clicked on these, it would again take me to multiple options to pick my grade and then what I would like from there. So lots of different options, and then you can also filter your search for what you're looking for specifically, so you can do lessons, videos, activities by standard or state, subjects, and grades as your grade level as well. I'm going to go ahead and look for a nutrition lesson. So on here, I'm going to go ahead and try to find one that looks interesting and will work for my 6th through 8th graders. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick preview of it to make sure that it's looking good and ready to go. If there's something that I don't like about it at the moment, I can always change it later once I add it to my lesson. So there's an interactive one, there's another interactive one. So overall, this is looking good, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to my lessons, and I'm going to show in my lessons. So it's going to take me to this page right here, and even if I went back to my dashboard, it would show on there as well. I can edit it to take slides in and out, and then I can assign it as student homework as self-paced. I can also do a live participation, so if I want to do that, I'll just click on it to show a code. And then the students can join from there. I'm going to go ahead and leave this. I'm going to show you some of the cool tools that they have that you can use to create your own lesson or edit another lesson that's already available. So to create a lesson, I'm just going to click this plus button, and as you can see, I can add content and activities. I can also upload my own files. So this is some of the content slides that they have available, so you can make it one of these. I'm going to go down, and we have some games or activities that you can do. There's also this little game right here that you can add as well. Another cool thing about Nearpod is that it does have a teacher demo, so you're able to see side by side right here what the teacher screen will look like and what the student screen will look like, which is really awesome for you to be able to see how the lessons kind of work and run. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you find a way to use Nearpod in your classroom.